My name's Captain Zach McKenna. I'm the founder and operator for St. Augustine Eco Tours. We turned 20 this year, so on St. Patrick's Day, we started in 2006. We're given 2 weeks to live, and here we are. We run a pretty cool operation here. We do daily trips to get fantastic humans on the water and tell the story. And then with that money, we do a lot of animal rescue. We're federally permitted to do dolphin research. We even participate in some land acquisition for conservation purposes. Leave the weather to us, leave the experience to us, trust our experience, trust that everything's monitored by the Coast Guard, including our licenses, and our reputation speaks for itself. We can't do the stuff we really love doing, which is the research, the rescue, and the conservation efforts without your support. So we're self-funded, and I think that makes that a fun company to be with, knowing that you're contributing to the things that really matter here.